Here comes Valentine, so shy but bold. Valentina flies, she's smart and gold. So Hugo's curious, always playing around. Ugonna shines with fun and sound. It's story time with Ugonna. Stories with Ugonna.
Once upon a time, in a little village school, the teacher's voice filled the room, and the lesson had just begun. In every classroom, children learn in different ways, but sometimes focus feels very hard to find. Valentina's mind followed the beds outside, and Ugonna's doo-doo seemed to dance right off the page, pulling him away from the lesson. Some brains are fast, some are slower, some wander off to play, but each one is capable of learning something great. Then, something surprising happens. A little piece of shark jumps from the teacher's decks with a puff of white dust.
Hello, little learners.
The shark said kindly.
Do you know that focus is like a little window? When you open it, even for a short while, the light of learning shines through.
One by one, the children picked through it. Valentine slowed down and thought carefully. This time, he got the answer right. Valentina pulled her eyes away from the test and wrote down one important point. Ugo raised his hand to ask a question, and when the teacher explained, he finally smiled.
Focus doesn't mean being perfect. It means catching the lights little by little.
Soon, the four friends began helping each other. I can draw it in steps for you, Ugonna added cheerfully.
When friends help each other focus, learning becomes brighter for everyone.
The teacher smiled warmly at the children. The glowing chalkboard windows shone one last time before fading into the air.
Every child's brain is special. Focus is like a little window, and when you open it, you can catch the light of learning, no matter how fast or slow you go.
See you in the next story, little stars. Keep shining.